This electric scooter will include most of the features that you will find on a high-end model at a fraction of the cost. Let's take a closer look. Let me introduce the Winnis L1 electric scooter that is part of the Caroma brand. This scooter is packed full of so many features at an affordable price, starting at the top. It features a smart LED display screen that includes the battery meter, the speed, and the speed setting mode that you are set at. You can cycle between eco, drive mode, and speed mode, which gives you your top speed of up to 16 miles per hour. Another really cool feature that is built into the smart screen is that it can be connected to an app via Bluetooth, and you can use that app to set the speed settings as well as lock out your scooter so no one can steal it. It features really soft, thick, anti-slip grips. Of course, you got the bell. Love the bells on these scooters. Your brake lever and your throttle lever. With the press of the power button once, you can turn on your bright LED headlight as well as a rear tail light. And for added safety features, the rear tail light acts as a warning signal to vehicles behind you when you apply the brake. This model features a quick release folding handlebar system for easier transportation, a large anti-slip platform, a rear fender, side markers on both the front as well as the rear, and a disc brake giving you the ability to stop quicker. This electric scooter measures 36.6 inches long by 42 inches high and weighs just 27.5 pounds, making this lightweight, compact, and easy to take with you anywhere you want to go. This electric scooter will require a few minutes to assemble before riding. You will find everything that you need to assemble your scooter in the included toolkit. With the large 8.5-inch solid tires, a 630 watt peak electric motor, paired with a 36.5 volt 5.2 amp hour high capacity battery, this scooter is stated to reach speeds of up to 16 miles per hour and a range of up to 18 miles. Now let's get this scooter on the road and give it a test. Alright, so I like to perform 4 different tests with these electric scooters. The first one's going to be the top speed test, followed by an acceleration test. Then we're going to go up a steep incline and test how well it can perform going up the hill. And finally, we're going to go through a brake and handling test. So here we go. I got it set onto highest speed setting S, and we're going to see what the top speed is of this electric scooter. They state 16 miles an hour. Let's see if we can hit that. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We're cruising along at 18 miles per hour. So let's see what our top speed was here. We hit 18.1 miles per hour top speed. Now I'm going to set it in eco mode, and we'll see the acceleration test on eco, drive, and speed test. Here we go, eco mode. Okay, I went right up to top speed of 7 miles per hour. Now let's go into the drive mode here, drive speed. And here we go. A little bit better acceleration, up to 8. 11, 12, so 12 miles per hour. We'll set it in speed setting. A little bit of traffic today. You have to be careful of the traffic. Let's see what we can get here on the highest setting. 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, right up to 18. There we go. Now we're going to do a brake test here. Very nice. The brakes on this one do feel like they need a little bit of adjustment, but overall they still performed very good and stopped me at a very reasonable speed. Handling of the scooter feels very stable. The platform is a little narrower than some of the other models I've tested out, but the anti-slip skid pad that they have on the platform makes your feet feel pretty stable and in control, not going to slip off. For our next test, we're going to go up this steep incline. We're going to leave the speed setting on the highest setting and see what our top speed and how well it performs going uphill if we lose power. Here we go. We're at 11 miles per hour. 13, we're gaining just a little bit. Getting into the steepest part of the hill now. Hanging in there at 14. 13, 12. Lost a little bit of power there. 11, 12. Down to 10. So we are losing a little bit of power going up this steep hill. We're almost to the crest of the hill now, so we're starting to stable off at 11. And we're starting to pick up speed again as we come over the top of the hill. The winds are very strong again today. It seems like every time I test these scooters out, we got like 20-mile-an-hour headwinds here. All right. All these electric scooters that I've reviewed in the past have been very dependable and a joy to ride. These 8.5-inch solid tires on this rough blacktop seem to ride pretty smooth. There is no suspension on this electric scooter. So if you're looking for a scooter that has suspension, this one doesn't give you that option. You're gonna have to go up to one of the higher end models. Now we're gonna go and give it a little bit of a handling test here. We already did the brake test. So we're just gonna see how well the scooter handles with, let's go into a lower mode setting here. Just gonna ride with one hand and see if we have any shimmy in the front. This one actually rides really nice. Handles really smooth with just one hand. Firm grip, not bad. Now we're just gonna go and see how well it handles hard turning here. Very nice. It feels like you're in control. These tires are really grippy. I can hear them grabbing the blacktop as I'm turning really hard here, back and forth. Handles really nice. I do want to mention that you can use cruise control if you have the app connected to your scooter. It does connect via Bluetooth. Let's go up to the next gear here. See how well it handles at this speed. We're going to do a little bit of hard maneuvering here. All right. A little bit more squirrely. We're going a lot faster though, double the speed here almost. But still, I can hear those tires gripping the blacktop. Handles really nice. The ride is pretty comfortable. The platform is, like I mentioned earlier, a little bit narrower than some of the other models. However, it is long enough to be able to place both your feet on the platform comfortably. Yep, the brake needs just a little adjustment. It's just a little bit too grippy. Grabs really hard at the start here. We'll wait for this semi to go by and then we're gonna turn around. This road's been getting a lot of traffic lately because there's road construction on the main road. They're using this as an alternate route. So we have large trucks going through, semis on a daily basis. Can't wait for that construction to get over with so I can ride my scooters a little bit more safely out here. Hope you guys appreciate these reviews and I hope you find them helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a like. It's the easiest way to help support the channel and I truly appreciate it. Let's do a little off-road driving here, see how well it handles on this gravel. Very nice, no problems. You're not gonna stop hard by hitting a chunk of gravel when you're out on the trails. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And this new model from Winnes, part of the Caroma brand, has many of the features you're going to find on a higher end model at a fraction of the cost. If you guys are interested in checking out this scooter, I'll have a link down in the description. This particular model does come in a variety of different colors. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.